Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the DaVinci AI app, an easy guide. First, ensure you have downloaded the official application from your device's app store, a simple process taking just a few moments. Upon opening, you will notice a clean interface designed for intuitive use. Familiarize yourself with the main navigation bar at the bottom, which typically includes sections like Home, Create, and Settings. Understanding these basic elements sets you up for successful interaction with the app's powerful features. You are now ready to begin exploring. Now, navigate to the Create section, which is your primary workspace for generating content. Here, the quality of your output largely depends on the clarity of your input, so type your requests carefully. For example, you might ask for a 100-word summary about artificial intelligence or 5 unique social media captions for a coffee shop. The DaVinci AI app can produce text, images, and even code based on your instructions. A well-structured prompt ensures the most relevant and useful results. Once the DaVinci AI app generates content, take a moment to review it thoroughly for accuracy and tone. If the initial output isn't quite perfect, you can often use the built-in editing tools to refine it directly. Consider providing follow-up prompts, asking for a more formal tone or a 25% shorter version to fine-tune the results. Many features allow you to adjust parameters like creativity level or specific word counts. This iterative process helps you achieve exactly what you envision. After you have perfected your AI-generated content, you will want to save it. The app typically offers a Save button, often found in the top right corner, allowing you to store your work for easy access later. You can then use the share or export functions to send your creations to others or integrate them into other projects. Export options usually include common formats like plain text, PDF, or image files. Consistent practice will help you unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. Keep experimenting and enjoy creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.